Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Sai World Learn Math Fun. Today in this video we are going to learn about number names, writing number names in both Indian as well as international system, the place value, face value, expanded form, forming a greatest and a smallest 4-digit number by the given digits, and how to find the difference between the place value of a given number. Let's move to the topic. Let's see each concept one by one in detail. So first topic is how to write the number names in Indian system. So talking about Indian system, first moving from the right side, first 3 digits comes under one place, and then we'll separate as two numbers. So moving from the right side, the first place is ones, then tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. So for example, when we write a number, for example 32, 49, 86, 559. So when we need to say in a words using Indian system, we say it as 32 crore 49 lakh 86,559. So each place, for example, for 1000 means 2 places, for lakh means 2 places, for crore means 2 places. Only the ones, tens and hundreds alone will separate it as 3 numbers, then each place as two numbers. And the rule while writing a number name is the first letter should start with a capital. There should not be any plural form. crores, lakhs அப்படின்லாம் plural formல இருக்கக்கூடாது, andங்கிற word யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது, and at the end you should stop with the full stop. So this is the rule while writing the number name in Indian system. So next is the international system. Coming to the international system, we separate each numbers, each places with 3 digits. For example, first ones, tens, hundreds, then you'll put a comma, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, then million, 10 million, 100 million, comma, then billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So for each place, after 3 numbers, we'll place the commas. This is the main difference between the Indian and the international system. For Indian system, only from the right side, after 3 numbers we'll place comma, then after 2 numbers we need to continue with the comma. But for international system, after 3 digits we'll place comma. So I think you are clear with writing number names in both Indian as well as international system, as same as the example I have given for international system also. So example for international system is, it's given 134, 324, 986, 559. So when we write, we will write it as 134,324,986,559. Next is how to write the expanded form, and if expanded form is given, how to write the numeral. If you are thorough with the place value, what do you mean by a place value? Where the number is present along with its place. For example, if you have a number 15,896, so here if I underline the number 5, so here the number is 5 and its place is 1000. So the place value is 5000. If I ask what is the face value, then the number itself, the answer is the 5. So the main difference between the face value and the place value is, for face value the answer is the number itself. என்ன number underline பண்ணிருக்கோம் அந்த number தான் face value. But place valueங்கிறது the number along with its place. அது ரெண்டையும் சேர்த்து சொல்றது தான் place value. For example, 9486 னா இதுல the place value of 9 is 9000. ஆனா face value of 9ங்கிறது the number 9 itself. 9 தான் answer. அடுத்து இப்போ ஒரு நம்பர் 15,896 கொடுத்துருக்குன்னா, how will you write in expanded form? It's nothing. If you are thorough with the place, then it is very quite easy to write its expanded form. So first you will write all the places, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Now you need to separate it. 15,000 போது 1 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 6 into 1. This is the expanded form. If expanded form is given, for example 6 into 1,000 plus 1 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 5 into 1 அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருந்தா, then you need to multiply, add and write. So 6 into 1,000 6,000 plus 1 into 100 100 plus 0 into 10 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the value is 0 plus 5 into 1 5. So if you add this, 6,105 is the answer. So this is the technique how to write number in the expanded form and how to write the number if the expanded form is given. The next concept is how to frame a 4-digit number, greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using the given digits. So if the digits are given as 5, 2, 7 and 8, the greatest 4-digit number that can be formed using the given digit is, so if you want to write the greatest number, you will write the given digits in the descending order. So 8, 7, 5, 2. This is the greatest 4-digit number which is formed using the given digits. If you want to frame the smallest 4-digit number with the given digits, then you will write the given digits in the ascending order. So it is 2,578. Here we have one challenge. For example, in a given digit, if you have 0, for example 4105, so how will you frame the greatest number? It's quite easy, the same. You will write the given digits in descending order. So 5410. When you write the smallest 4-digit number, you should be very careful if 0 is given, because you cannot write it as 0145, because if a number starts with 0, it has no value, then it becomes the 3-digit number. So what you need to do is, the next smallest number to 0 is 1. So after 1 you will write 0, then 4, 5. So if 0 is given, you will not write 0 in the first place when you write a smallest digit number. Instead, you will write 0 in the second place after the second smallest number. So 1045 is the smallest 4-digit number. I think this will be clear. In forming numbers, if 4 digits are given and if they ask to find the smallest 5-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number, then what you need to do is, you need to repeat the smallest number of the given digits to make the smallest number. For example, if 4219 is given and if they ask to find the smallest 5-digit number, then what you need to do is, you need to repeat 1 twice and then make the number. So 11249 will be the smallest 5-digit number. In the same case, if they ask you to find the greatest 5-digit number with the given 4 digits, then what you need to do is, you need to repeat the greatest of the given digits, that is 99421. The last concept in the topic is how to find the difference between the place value of 9 in the two given numbers. For example, if the numbers are given as 19,456 and 3,987. So first you need to write the place value of 9 for the two numbers. So for the first number, the place value is 9,000, and for the second number, the place value is 900. So already, I think in the previous video, I have told what do you mean by a difference. When you subtract two numbers, what answer we are getting, that answer is called as difference. So here 9,000 and 900, if you subtract, you will get 8,100. So the difference between the place value of 9 in the given two numbers is 8,100. So I think you are clear with all the topics like writing number names in Indian system and international system, writing in expanded form, and if expanded form is given, how to write the numerals, framing the greatest and smallest 4-digit number with the given digits. The same rule will be applicable if they ask framing a 5-digit numbers or a 6-digit number or 3-digit number, whatever it is, the same rule. Next, and how to find the difference between the place value of given numbers, of certain places of the given numbers, and what is a place value and what is the face value. In the upcoming videos, we'll be seeing about some other interesting concepts. Thank you, friends. If you like the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe to get the upcoming videos. So subscribe and press bell icon to receive more videos related to math. In the next video, I just want to teach you how to make special angle measures using compass. For example, multiples of 15 degree without protractor, how to make angles using a compass, scale and pencil alone without using a protractor. So I'll upload the video within 2 to 3 days. So wait for the next video. Thank you, friends.